In this video, we'll show you how to assign technicians to crew designations on a booking. Before you begin, make sure your labor products, technicians, and technician primary skills are set up and ready to use on bookings. If you're not there yet, be sure to check out our videos on crew parameters, create new labor products, create a new technician profile, and add crew to a booking. Let's get started. With crew status enabled in crew parameters, the booking grid displays assigned when all technician designations are filled and required when assignments are still needed. Technicians can be assigned using the crew grid menu options in this window, or by editing each individual assignment. Let's start by editing one now. Click on any designation to edit. In the Hour Cost section, click the drop-down to view the technicians qualified for this designation, those with Audio Director Broadcast listed as a primary skill in their technician contracting record. Selecting a technician automatically displays their corresponding rates from their technician record. The job offered status is automatically set based on the type of technician assigned, but can be manually overridden. In-house agency technicians, status is set to approved. Freelance technicians, status is set to offered. Jobs accepted or declined in the crew portal will be automatically updated to accepted or declined here. The conflict, confirmed, and meet at venue checkboxes are manual settings. For example, conflict is used when an issue is identified or anticipated and needs to be revisited later. Assignments marked as conflict or confirmed will be highlighted on the crew grid. The Meet at Venue setting is manual and used for informational purposes when communicating with the technician. Save your work. The selected technician will now appear as assigned to that entry on the crew grid. Next, we'll use the crew grid options to assign the same technician to multiple roles. Select the entries that will be updated. Click Select Designation to assign technician to. Select your technician and save. The selected technician will now appear as assigned to those entries on the crew grid. For the final assignment, let's assign a freelance technician who requires a purchase order. Select the technician. If needed, click the technician calendar icon to see the technician's other commitments. You can also click the Technician Properties icon to see their details, including primary and secondary skills. This information comes in handy when assigning technicians to challenging roles where valid certifications are needed. When using freelance technicians, raise a purchase order as needed. The potential cross-rental checkbox is automatically selected when assigning a freelance or agency technician, but it can also be set manually. Once this box is checked, a purchase order must be entered before saving the assignment. Search for your vendor. The Cross-Rental Purchase Order tab is now visible, and the corresponding purchase order is ready to save. You'll see that the approved rates have already been loaded. Click on the Crew Assignment tab to see the purchase order number assigned to the booking. Save your work. The freelance technician has been assigned and is shown in the grid. Save your work. Note that since technicians are now assigned to all crew designations, the crew status has changed to assigned on the booking grid. The crew grid offers many menu options for managing technician assignments. We'll explore these in detail in another video. For now, let's quickly look at how to update the labor dates if your booking calendar dates change. First, change the calendar dates. Then navigate to the Crew Assignments tab. Select the lines on the grid that will be affected, then choose the menu option, Change Selected to New Date. All entries now reflect the correct dates for the modified booking calendar. Remember to save your work. Printing a technician show sheet provides official documentation of the assigned technicians, including assignment details, and can be used for reference, communication, or record-keeping purposes. The technician show sheet can be accessed from the top print menu or via the right-click menu. Highlight the template and submit your request. That's all for technician assignments in a booking. Don't forget to explore our other videos, like manipulating the crew grid, to get the most out of the software.